Hello. This is Jason. And I'm on my way to hang out. Culinary Dropout. Alright, so here is Culinary Dropout. Cool place. I think I've shown you this area before. It's a pretty awesome area. Wouldn't mind living here. But it is like very high-end stuff. We'll go take a walk around later. I'm gonna go have a few drinkies and catch up with you in a little bit. Look at this, we got some piggies. What are their names?
This is Alea and Anaya.
Elena and Anaya. How old are they?
She just turned 5 yesterday.
Oh wow.
It's like her birthday outing. She's 4 and a half.
Can I pet them?
Yeah.
You take them everywhere?
Well, once the temperature cools down, I don't take them in the summer. So this is the first time that they've been out since like May.
Yeah.
Because it gets too hot. Like when it's like 100 degrees outside.
Right, it's too hot.
Yeah. So this is kind of okay. I wish it was a little bit cooler, but
right.
It's okay. But I wanted to get them out of the house, you know.
That's cool.
Yeah, so it's not too bad.
I've never seen pigs at a bar before. It's cool they let you bring them here too.
Can I take a picture of them?
Yeah.
Oh, cool, man. That's awesome.
Oh, thank you. It's funny. Look at that, I got some birthday. Culinary Dropout birthday shit.
Let's go.
This steak is so good. We got a ribeye. We also got a filet. I've tried them both. They're both delicious. And what do you got? You got some shrimp?
1/2 shrimp.
It's so good. All the food here is so good. We're at Perry's Steakhouse, and it's amazing. No matter what you get here, it's delicious. That's right.